Hey guys, out here with my Saab 9.5 Aero. Just want to do a quick installation guide on my 3D printed sunroof clips here. These are the clips that break in the 9.5s and a lot of the Saabs that allow this arm to actually lever the wind deflector up for the sunroof. I've already taken this one out, as you can see. I'll be putting this one back in. Going to start this by putting in this clip into the channel here. So I'm going to start by hooking the clip into the channel and then sliding it down. The clip has enough flex in it. With the PETG, it's strong enough that you can just push this guy all the way down until it clicks. I just jumped inside the car here to show you this view inside. So this will slide down until it matches the geometry that's inside here. Now you can see that this guy is stuck into place and will not move, and the arm freely rotates. Okay, I now have the arm in, and to get this all the way in, you need to lift the windshield up a little bit, the wind deflector up. This hook here needs to go into its slot down there. You can see it kind of resting in its little slot. You can get it hooked in there like so, but what we want to have happen is for this spring to be compressed by the pin. Unfortunately, I've not devised a great way to record this with one hand and also maneuver this, but you can see the top part of the spring is in the slot. I have the pin started, and the lower part of the spring is buried down in its little pocket down at the bottom, if it's possible to see that. And now you can see I've pushed the spring down, pushing it underneath the barrel of the pin. I use a flat object like the ignition key. You can also use a screwdriver, that will work. Just need to push the top of that spring down so it compresses, and then slide the pin over it and into the slots on the other side. I then attach the circlip that retains the pin, and I will leave you with a couple video shots of the sunroof opening and closing with the wind deflector working as intended. Thanks guys.